Welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn how to use internal linking to fix your blog post indexing issue. Let's say, for an example, we have post A. Post A has been indexed, and we have post B. Post B and C are not indexed. So in order to get this post index, post B index, all you have to do is to link post A to post B. That is the URL of post B. Place it inside the content of post A. Then after that is done, copy the URL of post A and go to Google URL inspection. Paste it here and request for indexing. After requesting for indexing, this is what happens. Google crawls on this post A and finds the URL of post B in post A. What it does is to crawl to post B and most likely get it indexed. So to get post C indexed, we also do the same thing by linking post A to post C, or we link post B to post C. Then copy the URL of this post and get it indexed. I request for indexing. So what this does again is Google crawls on this page, then crawls to post C and most likely get it indexed. Proper interlinking on a blog post not just only helps for the blog post to get indexed, but also in improving the ranking position of a post. So the more links of indexed posts pointing to a not indexed post, the higher the chance of that post to get indexed and also ranking high on Google. So that is how to use internal linking to fix blog post indexing issue. If this didn't work for you, check the description of this video. There is a link to other videos and blog posts I've made on how to get your blog post indexed very fast. If you enjoy what I'm doing, please like and comment if you have any question. And this is your first time of watching my video, subscribe to get more videos on blogging tips, SEO, and how to make money online. I will see you in the next video.